What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday. It's a little after 10 o'clock p.m. We actually just got back today from New Hampshire. We went on a short vacation over the weekend. Unfortunately, the footage that I did get, it's really not vlog worthy. Yeah, that's all I can say about that. But we ended up staying at a place. It looked like condominiums. So we had our own room and everything like that. It had a fireplace, which was really nice. We had a fireplace, which is really nice. Chloe actually almost smoked us out. Kind of funny. She forgot to open up the damper door to the fireplace, or to the flues. And yeah, that could have been bad, but it was all right. We went to Phantom Fireworks just to look at their inventory. I've always heard great things about them. Didn't buy anything, unfortunately, because it's not legal down here in Mass. Went out to eat a couple places, and we got home earlier today. We just got back from my parents, seeing them and the dog. She's doing so much better, thanks to the surgery. She looks like a brand new dog. Of course she has a limp because she has surgery, but you know, that's to be expected. But today is the day we are doing the Hot Wheels unboxing for the Hot Wheels mini series. So if you're new to the channel and new to watching the videos, the Hot Wheels videos, Angel likes boxes. We have 6 Hot Wheels left in this box from the original 27, I believe it was, from the original 27 that I bought. And here we have 15 more Hot Wheels. So that's super good news for us on the channel. We do have more Hot Wheels coming. Hopefully, I'm going to be putting a bid on a lot of, I believe, 33 Hot Wheels Tuesday. I believe it's Tuesday. So with any luck, I'll win that bid. If not, then I will have to buy it from one of the previous sellers. So we're going to open up these 6. We're going to open up 4 from this pack. We'll have 11 left after that, and hopefully we'll have more to go. So, yeah, good news. Alright, so those are all empty boxes. I don't know why, but I like keeping the empty boxes. I couldn't tell you why. But here we have the 6 unopened Hot Wheels, and we're going to jump right in. So, pack number 1 for tonight. And like I said before, I'm going to try to open these so that you guys can see it at the exact same time I do. I don't get a sneak peek to anything. Oh, we got something new. That's cool. I like that. Has number 33 on the side. We have a... Let's see what that is. We have a Plymouth Barracuda. Very cool.
Ooh,
oh,
Barracuda.
So in my first video of this series, I said that there's a car in the mystery Hot Wheels that the bottom actually bubbles out, or it bubbles down a bit, so they don't wheel, they don't roll. And I'm pretty sure this is that car. If you guys can tell. If you guys can tell, it does look like it bubbles down a little bit, but it's not enough to prevent the car from rolling. I'm pretty sure that's the Barracuda though that does that. So we have a new addition to the car family today, which is super exciting. But of course we are hoping for another Bugatti. In the first video we did find a blue and white Bugatti Veyron. We were only 3 cars into that video and we found that, so that was super awesome. Let's see. Chloe's currently behind the camera. She's in her PJs and would like to not be on camera, so I'm respecting her wishes.
I'm sleepy.
Oh, we have another What For 2 in a different paint scheme this time. I forgot what the other one was. I think it was white, but that's pretty cool. And I thought this opened up, but I think I'm wrong. I don't want to break it in case I do want to keep it for later or give it to my nephew or whatever. So I'm not going to try it out. I'm pretty sure it does open, but like I said, I'm not going to break it. Come on, baby. What do we have here? Now, you guys can't see my face, but I am looking at the camera so I don't get a sneak peek for you guys.
It doesn't move past that part coming out.
Hey, Lipsy.
The little middle part will come out, but...
Alright, yeah, then we're not even gonna...
It's not worth it.
Yeah. I mean, I probably won't keep them anyways, but We have another green with green Ghost Flame Volkswagen Beetle. Not my favorite. There's a purple, like a purple variant of this car. Nothing special. It is what it is. So that's car number 3, heading on to car number 4. If anything, we'll try it on the other 4 too, so we don't break that one, because I do kind of like that paint scheme better.
Yeah, this little piece won't go all the way back in too, so I don't really think it was supposed to come out.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh, another C6 Corvette. We have, I think, 3 or 4 more in the same scheme. Yellow with white stripes. So that's pretty cool. I don't mind getting duplicate Corvettes. I do love Corvettes. And for those of you who didn't know, Chloe actually had a 78 Corvette. It was a really nice looking car. It was really cool. It was the 25th anniversary, or the silver anniversary. The car has been sold since then. Let's see. We got a wrapper, and we have another one of these chrome cars. I'm not going to get into too much detail about this car. I still think it looks more like a Camaro than anything else, but to each their own.
Are you only doing the 6 tonight?
Oh, we got another Bugatti. No, we're gonna do 4 out of that other box. We have another Bugatti. Oh my god, and this one is actually in a lot better condition than the other one. The other one had scuffs on the top. Holy crap, I am so pumped right now. That is awesome, guys. The only thing that's different about this one, is the grill right here. It's got a gap at the top. No big deal.
Wow.
No big deal. It's a lot better than the last. So, who knows? I might put them up for sale or whatever.
And this is not my hair.
Yeah, whatever. Not much you can do. Oh, that's interesting. I haven't seen that before, but it's a good initiative to keep these packages safe, which I always appreciate.
Oh, they're in 2s.
Okay. So I do always appreciate how... No, this was a 1.
Oh.
I do appreciate if you guys, you know, if the sellers are ever watching these videos, I really do appreciate how well you're packaging these. I've never seen them wrapped up in paper towel. I think that's actually really clever and unique. So that's
Only 4,
awesome.
right?
Yeah, just 4 for tonight. Or 4 more. Unfortunately, this one is cracked, which is not a big deal. I do understand that incidents do happen through shipping, which we learned in our first video. I did contact the seller. They were very nice and understanding. They were very apologetic about what happened. You know, and I told them it's no big deal. We can't control what happens in transit. So as long as it's like that when they shipped it, then you know we don't have much control over it. So.
She's eating her banana.
I'll show you guys Daisy when this video's over, but she's being super cute as always. Let's see. Oh, we got another Barracuda.
Ooh, Barracuda.
That is very cool. I love that paint.
Hi, baby.
That is awesome.
Hello, baby. Hello.
Chloe's talking to the cat.
I miss them.
Yeah, so very happy with the way these people shipped these packages. We got this, I believe last week, Tuesday of last week. They weren't supposed to be here until, no, I'm sorry. We got these Thursday, I believe, of last week. They weren't supposed to be here until Tuesday of this week. So very fast shipping. Oh, another Bugatti.
When you need.
Another Bugatti. Holy crap. Guys, that's awesome. We now have we have both variations of the Bugatti that you can get in the 2007 mystery Hot Wheel packs. Oh, that's cool. They even have the chromed out grill. Super cool. Guys, this is awesome. This is so awesome.
Time for boys.
And we have a, oh, look at that. We have another C6. I think that's, yeah, that's a C6. Yep, C6 Corvette. So now we have,
New paint scheme?
we have these two C6s, which,
I thought we had a red one. We didn't?
no, we have the,
Oh, the other Corvette
the orange,
red, right?
no, it's, well, it's more of an orange, but
Oh.
I'm more happy about this than I am anything else. I'm so pumped. Alright guys, last pack for tonight.
Another yellow Bugatti. You can't feel it. That's technically cheating.
I know. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Drum roll. Oh, it's kind of like silent. Ooh.
Hey, it's new though.
That's different.
Look at that. Hot rod. That's
Wow,
cool.
that's really
I
weird.
haven't even seen that one.
Oh, sorry. Saw it in the camera. That is really weird. What is this? Let's see.
It looks like it glows in the dark, doesn't it?
It's a Super Comp Dragster. Super Comp Dragster.
Oh, maybe not.
Wow, that is quite something else. That's different. So I'm more of a fan of the realistic cars, like the cars that are actually based off of real life cars. Sure, why not? I do like some of these off variations, or off brand, whatever you want to call it. I have no idea. I'm so tired, but yeah, this is pretty cool. I don't mind it. I like this a lot better than the What For 2. But right now we're getting the cars lined up for you guys so we can show you the brand new ones. So, What For 2, Cuda, C6, new Bugatti. Well, actually, all these are new. But new Bugatti and the Comp Dragster. So, that is awesome. I cannot be any more happy with the unboxing for tonight. Like I said, guys, 10 a week. I will be uploading a video of the unboxing every single week.
Oh.
Yeah, that was alright. So,
I'm getting there.
if you,
Uh-oh. Technical difficulties. I'm just gonna hold it.
alright, that's fine. Like I said, guys, if you guys like these videos, be sure to comment down below, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. If your account isn't on private, I will be able to see your name and I'll give you a subscriber shout out at the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think of this mini-series. Personally, I enjoy it because it's always a mystery, as you can tell, because all the boxes are blacked out. But I've always loved Hot Wheels collecting when I was a kid, even more now that I'm an adult. I'm an adult, and they're coming out with new stuff all the time. Which we found Guaxilla 2.0 in Target, and we found a bunch of other different cars too, so those will be in the collection. If you guys like the video, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss a new video. Comment down below what's your favorite car in my collection, or comment down below what is your favorite car in your collection. And before we head out, we're going to show you guys Daisy because Chloe's been talking about her.
Oh, she ran away.
We'll get her for you guys.
Like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Like and comment.
She's right there.
I don't know how to zoom. Honey, it's not working.
There you
Oh.
go. It's very
Da dun da dun da dun da dun da na 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 na. Goodbye.